Let's see the topic. Did you see the topic? Let us discuss this. Why do we need to manage our resources? Not only just roads and buildings, but all the things we use or consume, such as vehicles, tools, raw materials to construct buildings. All these things are obtained from resources on this earth. That is why we need to manage our resources. If we will use resources in large amounts such as fuel, metals, trees, then the resources will be reduced. We will get stuck and face huge problems. These resources are not unlimited. Once we consume all these resources, we will not get more. This is the problem. So we need to manage our resources. Let me give you an example. We have so many trees around us. If we cut down all the trees for our benefits, will the trees grow again instantly? Or within a few days? No. It takes years for a plant to turn into a tree, and we just cut it down without thinking. What we need to do is, whenever we cut the trees, we must plant new trees. So we will not have the shortage of trees in future. After cutting some old trees, we need to plant new trees to manage our resources because it is essential. Another example, you must have seen this small bird. Look at the picture. Did you see that? Let me tell you about this. Earlier, we had large number of sparrows around us, but today they are just disappeared. Why? Because of urbanization. Where have all the sparrows gone? Long ago, we would see them around us in large numbers, but today we see only a few of them. Earlier, sparrows used to build nests in holes, roofs, and crevices on traditional houses. They can easily make nests in the houses made out of bamboo, clay, and mud. After eating, birds leave their droppings everywhere. Bird droppings make great fertilizer and it can help plants grow. This is how plants, animals, and birds are important for balancing the natural environment. Today we see that a healthy population of these birds has disappeared in urban areas because of habitat issues. Due to urbanization, sparrows do not find a safe nesting place. That is why they have migrated from urban areas to the other places. In cities, they do not find enough trees to build their nest in. That is why they cannot survive in the urban areas. So it is very important for us to limit the use of natural resources. We should use the natural resources in a limit and only as per the requirement. We should not consume these resources unnecessarily. If we do so, then we will face big problems in future. Now let's take a look here. Did you see that? Let us discuss about this topic. Forests and wildlife. Why are forests and wildlife important? Let me explain why are they important. You must know about the bees, right? The bees suck up the nectar from flowers. They collect nectar just to obtain and store food. Also, they collect pollen from the flowers. Did you see that? This is the pollen of a flower. They gather pollen into the pollen baskets on their back legs. Pollen carried on their bodies may be carried to another flower where a small portion can rub onto the pistil, resulting in cross-pollination. When pollen is transferred between flowers of the same species, seeds can be produced. This helps in further growth of plants. The life cycle of the bee is affected by electromagnetic radiation exposure. Due to high radiation emission, bees are dying. This is one of the major causes of reduced number of bees in the environment. The natural resources are being exploited by us. It is very essential for us to conserve the natural resources and to limit the use of these resources. If we use it unnecessarily, then it will affect the environment.